Hello everyone. So welcome back to our channel. So I am Dr. Nedaj. This video I am going to talk about rotator cuff injury. So rotator cuff issue our shoulder muscles is help to stabilize and move arms smoothly. What is rotator cuff injury? So rotator cuff injury is tear or cut your muscle or tendon. So the symptoms is they have severe shoulder pain. They can't able to lift up. They can't able to lift weight. They can't able to move that much freely, like easily. So same time they have severe pain also. So the reason is might be a degenerative disease or repetitive shoulder movement and any injury like fall down, any accident. So that for the reason. And the rehabilitation is I'm going to do two part. So first one is how to manage the pain and increase the range of motion. So second part is strengthening and weight bearing training.
Let's go the exercise part. First exercise, take any stick, TheraBand or any towel also. You can hold it like this. Then do slowly up and neutral. Again do up and neutral. Second exercise, add half kg weight. Then lift up, then neutral. Then slowly lift up, then back to neutral. So the repetition is 15 or 10 into 3 set about you are comfortable. Third one, you can stand and lift up in the wall. Lift up slowly. Hold it 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can down. Again lift up. Hold it 5 seconds. Then down. Then next part is isometric exercise. You can take any foam roller. Otherwise you can roll it any towel and keep it like this. Then press against the wall. Hold it 10 seconds. Then relax. So next one, take any TheraBand, just to pull out, then hold it 10 seconds, then relax. Again pull out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then relax. Third exercise, you can lie down like this, hold it any dumbbells, weight about you are comfortable. So hold it 10 seconds, then relax. Hold it like this for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then relax. Fourth one is hold the TheraBand like this, just apart both hand, hold it 10 seconds, then relax. Again do like this, so hold it 10 seconds, then relax. So another exercise is you can take again foam roller or you can roll it any towel, then keep it like this, then press 10 seconds, then relax. Again press the wall 10 seconds, then relax. Next exercise, lie down like this, move your arm alternative direction. Then you can do this all the exercise and weight and resistance about you are comfortable. If you feel more resistance or more weight, reduce the weight, then do the exercise. And the repetition also about you are comfortable only. If 15 times, if you feel more pain means do 10 times. So slight discomfortable, it's okay, doesn't matter. But if you feel more pain, then visit nearby doctors and consult any physiotherapist.
So do this all the exercise. So if you feel pain, so first apply heat back for 10 minutes. After you can do the exercise. Again you apply 10 minutes. So do this all the exercise. Let me know the comment section how you feel. Like this video and subscribe our channel. Then only if you update any videos, then you can able to get to know about the exercise part everything. And witness your fitness with us.